Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyani Tutorials. So today in this video we learn how to merge two dictionaries. Okay, so let's have a dictionary X. Let's define the dictionary A1 B2. Okay, let us define a dictionary Y equal to B3. Okay, C4. Okay, so what I want is I want to merge these two dictionaries and the key and values of dictionary Y should supersede dictionary X. Okay, so I want to merge these two dictionaries, and in output I should get A1 B3 C4. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Let's define a dictionary Z and copy X into that. Okay, X copy. So Z is now X. Okay, now we'll update Z with dictionary Y. Okay, so that y values will be superseded into the x. Okay, let's see that a1 b3 c4. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyami Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.